How to fix match deck blank or not loading issue on Hinge. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to be learning if our match deck is currently blank and if it's not loading on the Hinge app. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If the Hinge match deck is blank or not refreshing, the issue is often temporary and related to syncing with the server or a weak connection. In order to check this, first of all, start by ensuring that you have got a stable and good internet connection. Open your Hinge app and come to your profile page. Tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side, scroll down to the bottom and try to log out and re-log in back into your account by tapping the sign in option and signing in with your account again. You also have to make sure that your application is updated to the latest version. If you're using on Android, you can clear the cache files by long pressing the Hinge app, tapping on the eye icon or the app info icon over here. Then from here going to storage and clearing the cache files. If you're using iPhone, you can try to offload the app. If the issue is still persists, you can try to restart your device as well, and sometimes a simple restart is also going to help you solve the problem. That's all for this video. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in our next video.